Look what I just received from 1010. And this is a 2-pack of wine aerators. And look how nice this is. And this is great for pouring more oxygen into your wine. It enhances the flavor as well as the smell too. And it brings out all the nuances of the wine. So it's a 2-pack, which is great because you can keep one for yourself and give one as a gift, or keep them both for yourself, or great to give both as a gift. This is perfect for wine enthusiasts. And what it does is you put it onto a standard size bottle. There is a seal right here, and there's also a spout, and there's an air hole here, and a regulator as well. And the air passes through the chamber and infuses it with oxygen into your wine. I'm going to show you a close-up right now so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the aerator looks like. This right here is a seal, and this is where the air tube is. Then next, there is an air hole here right in the center. And that draws the oxygen to aerate the wine while it's being poured. Then right here, you're going to notice there's a plate regulator. And that is to spread out the wine to maximize the air exposure. And it also has this design right here to make it leak proof. And now let me show you how it works. I've already attached this aerator onto this wine bottle. And now we are going to pour. You're going to notice that they're going through the chamber, and as you see, once it's being poured, there is bubbles throughout the wine. It smells so good. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.